everybody, in our channel Learn Cooking. I'm going today our audience to cook pasta with red sauce. Red sauce pasta. It's very easy to do with green pepper. I have half kilo pasta, slices of green pepper, tomato sauce or tomato puree, salt, black pepper and oil. First I put a bottle of water on the fire. When it's boiling, I start to put the pasta in the boiling water. You can see the water is boiling. When it boils for 5 minutes, I add the pasta. I leave the pasta on the boiling water for 7 minutes. Every 2 minutes I stir the pasta. I stir the pasta for 7 minutes until it becomes medium done. Next I come. Now the pasta is ready. I put in the strainer and remove the boiling water and wash them with fresh water off the top. Next I come to complete the pasta. In this pan I put oil. I fry the green pepper. I add the tomato sauce now. I add the salt and the black pepper now. Next I add the pasta. I make the fire low on the pasta for 30 minutes. I stir. I make the fire low, then I let them for 10 minutes on a low heat to be well done. Now the pasta is very well done, and you can do it easily at home. You can see it's very easy and very delicious with the red sauce and green pepper. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and write your opinion to me. You can follow the steps and do it easily at home. You can eat it with grilled meat, with potato chips, with any kind of meat or chicken. Very nice and very delicious. Like the video, please. I have a tomato sauce of tomato puree. You can find in the channel how I prepare it at home. I have oil, salt, and the potato. I peel the potato from with this tool. The potato should be suitable for frying to be crispy. I wash the potato well with water, then I come again. With chef's tool, I cut the potato like this, or using the other side to make it like this. You can see the shape is very nice. I put a spoon of tomato sauce with salt, and mix them together. Leave them together for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the potatoes will be ready to use or to fry. I come after 1 hour. Now I put oil on the fire and ready to fry the tomato chips. Leave them to fry. Now the potato chips is ready. I turn off the fire. I get out them on the kitchen tissue. And the chips is ready now. This is the chips with tomato flavor. It's very easy to do it at home. It's very easy to do any kind of flavor at home. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video and write your opinion to me. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Please write your opinion to know that you like the video. Don't forget